SMD components are highly used in modern electronic devices. Through-hole components are confined in high-power device in some amount. The through-hole technology components were convenient for repairing, but SMD components are a bit complicated because of its small size. That's why we should have precision tools along with microscope. Trinocular microscope is popular among mobile phone and laptop PCB repairers. There is wide-angle eyepiece attached in trinocular stereo microscope, so with the help of diopter adjustment, eyepiece is adjusted in different eye distance and subject is perfectly visible. In this microscope, we use CTV adapter and install HDMI and VGA microscope, which helps to display in external monitor. Although this microscope is popular in PCB repair, it is unlikely for TV panel and screen repair. Main reason is its weight, which is almost 4 kg. Placing this bulky microscope on panel is highly risky job. You need to shove your eyes in microscope, which may be easier for most of you, but I personally prefer to watch in screen, which is also a major drawback here. Digital microscope is camera-like device, which is based on digital imaging technology. Here is important role of image sensor. The quality of image sensor and sensor size also influences the picture or video taken from microscope. Most important factor of digital image capture and processing is light. Direct light reduces real image quality, where side light gives proper image quality though shadow is formed. And this works as anti-glare light. That's why gooseneck light should be used. Next crucial part of microscope is lens. This video is sponsored by utisource.net. Utisource provides all kind of electronic components globally with one-stop package service for customers. They provide easy-to-use platform which allows you to quickly find what you are looking for based on brand and product name. Click the link below and log in now. Important aspect of lens is magnifying and focusing. It is also an optical component device. C-mount lens is widely used lens. Even though they are available in various size, 0 to 100x and 10 to 180x lenses are more practical. You cannot obtain working distance while zooming in. That's why objective lens and Barlow lens is used to increase focal length. Microscope stand is next essential part. These stands and holders are of different type. We need movable or lightweight stand for panel repair, but if you repair electronic PCB, you need to fix it in a specific and suitable place. Due to the smaller arm of basic stand, PCB cannot be moved freely. It doesn't fit, so we can rotate it in other way and use it. While choosing a stand for PCB repair, we should keep in mind that in base stand, distance between microscope lens and focus point should be at least 6 inches. Add-on star. This is very cute microscope, but arm is still too short. We'll try to modify and elongate this. Wow, excellent. Much easy. In place of articulating stand, there are cheaper alternatives too. However, these stands are used to hold microphones. They are lightweight and constantly imbalanced, which makes our work difficult. Except for OpenCell panel, other electronic PCBs can be good alternative for this stand. But column bracket of these stands are of 24 mm and 32 mm, which makes difficult to match with diameter of microscope holder. It may cause little trouble. This is 360-degree rotating arm, which gives enough working space in 18-inch radius. VGA or HDMI microscope are displayed on monitor or TV screen. Display can either be smaller or of large size. In context of a smaller or larger display, if distance is shorter, then choose monitor of a smaller size. If you want a little far, choose larger screen. But you have to keep microscope and display always straight and in eye comfort direction. Distance between you and your display makes very big impact. As I already mentioned, image sensor quality and size defines microscope, but megapixel doesn't. Whose sensor size is large and of high quality, it works well in low light also. Small and low quality sensor microscope needs bright light. Eight mm to 9 mm CMOS sensors are cheaper, 9 mm to 11 mm are of middle range, and other more than 11 mm sensors are expensive and uses high quality microscope. Among these, Sony IMX series are more popular. Various microscope manufacturers produce microscope by using Sony or Panasonic sensor models only. Such microscope cameras can be counterfeit and deceive you. We need to be cautious. By using an autofocus camera, 3D camera, projection camera like that, you can set up dual microscope system and even achieve pro-type setup. However, you can still do a good job by using basic equipments. I used this basic microscope for a couple of years and has a special connection with this. This add-on star microscope, its display is still vibrant. It captures and records well. 4 to 7 inch of working distance. However, it has noisy picture due to the pixel size sensor, and its shallow and deep depth of field is mind-blowing. Similarly, this is very essential for VGA microscope panel repair. We will work with this. We are unable to capture and record using this. That's why I use this 4K microscope for capturing and recording, which also has a remote control. This 9mm sensor microscope is not very good, but it's okay. There is no recording option available in 1080p. 4K at 30fps and AVI format is the only choice for this. Video editing software without handbrake support cannot be used. The build quality is excellent. In this video, I have only shared my experience with all of you. If any of you have further suggestions on all these matters, please provide me with advice as I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video till end.